have negative 4 is less than x over 2. So what I need to do is get my x by itself. So for me to get rid of this 2, it's divided by 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I get negative 8 is less than x. Now we like to see the x on the other side, so I'm going to flip the whole entire thing, which means the sign flips too. Therefore, we get an answer of x is greater than negative 8. Okay, our next problem here, we have 7x plus 6 minus 4x is less than 8 plus 1x plus 4. All right, so before I start moving stuff around, I'm going to combine my like terms on each side. I have a 7x and a negative 4x. 7x and a negative 4x is 3x. I still have plus 6 is less than. On this side, I have an 8 and a 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then I still have plus 1x. Then we're going to get our x's together. So I need to move this plus 1x. I'm going to subtract the 1x on both sides. 3x minus a 1x is a 2x. Bring everything else down. And again, I'm going to get this x by itself. So I need to move that 6. I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides. So now I have 2x is less than 6. And lastly, I'm going to divide by 2 to get this x by itself. Therefore, x is less than a positive 3, which is C. And our last problem here, we have 16x minus 4 is less than or equal to 4 times 3x plus 2. So before I move stuff around, you need to distribute. This side is fine. This other side, I need to distribute as 4. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 2 is 8. So now I have this. I need to get my x's together. I need to have a positive 12x. For me to move it to the other side, I'm going to subtract 12x. 16x minus a 12x is a 4x. Bring everything else down. Again, I'm going to get this x by itself, so I need to move this negative 4. For me to move it, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Therefore, I get 4x is less than or equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. And lastly, I'm going to get rid of that 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So we get x is less than or equal to 3, which is choice C.